Thank you. Mr. President, honorable ministers and representatives of state institutions, Mr. Ambassador, and with all due respect, all our friends, partners here in this event, but also around Somalia and Puntland, ladies and gentlemen, this is a great honor for me and a great joy for me to be able to be here today. And looking out on the government officials, all of you, with your different roll-ups and posters displaying your work makes me so happy, extremely proud, and also very, very optimistic about the future for the Republic of Somalia and the state of Puntland. Elsie Lundberg, who we have standing there, she should be the one standing here. And she would be extremely proud and very happy, and going back to the words of Steve, remembering the visions that Madam Elsie Lundberg had about looking from where the State House now is, looking down, and if she would look down to Garowe, she would have been so proud. So, Mr. President, congratulations for Puntland. Puntland is very special to us. As we saw in the video and as we know, we have had the privilege to walk together with the people of this state in its aspirations to build a safe and prosperous society. We saw the video and we have heard about Elsie's visions, and what we try to do now through our team here in Garowe is to walk in her footsteps. As Puntland changes and develops, we try to follow suit and go along your side. Your priorities are our priorities, and that's how we would like to work. I was one of the figures that Steve took up, among many things, in describing how Puntland has developed, is going from a civil servant team of 700 to 7,000. That is really a commitment to deliver services to the population of Puntland. Again, I congratulate you, President, for that. And another thing I would like to mention as well, being a newcomer in this country, is that I'm impressed, I'm very, very impressed by the role taken up by the state of Puntland in contributing to building the federal state, or the federal republic, sorry, of Somalia, where Puntland is really taking a huge responsibility, but also setting the example. We congratulate you, Mr. President, for having won the elections, but I would say even more so for the way the elections were performed, for the way the transition from one administration to another administration was done. You set an example not only for Somalia, but for the continent, for the world. I think this is really something important. Are you going to translate all this after me? No. Diakonia, we are a Swedish development organization with a global